Phonological Awareness Routine number 12. In this routine, the purpose is to have students say a word slowly and then identify the beginning and the ending sound. There's actually 3 parts to this routine. Students will first listen to you saying the sounds, and then they will identify the initial sound and then identify the final sound in words. Show children pictures of objects, of words that have 3 sounds and they have an initial continuous sound in the beginning. What I mean by that are sounds that you can continuously say. So they're sounds like s, z, f, so that you can really accent those sounds for students. Let's start with the word mop. Mop has 3 sounds and it has a continuous sound in the beginning. First, I'll say the word to students, mop, and then I'll have them repeat that word with me, mop. Then I'm going to slow down the word, accenting each of the sounds in that word. I'm using sound boxes so that the sounds are separated for the students. Then I'll do it with the students, and they can do it along with me. So here we go. After you do this, you're going to have students actually look at their sound boxes. You'll point to the initial box and then have them ask them, what sound do you hear at the beginning of the word mop? And they should start to say the word mop and they'll identify that beginning sound as Then point to the final sound box and ask that same question but about the final sound. What sound do you hear at the end of the word mop? Mop. Be careful that students don't identify the letter by saying M or P, but they actually identify that sound. We want them listening for the sounds in the words. Let's try the next one. The next one, I have a picture of a fin. So I'll say the word to students, fin. I'll have them repeat it after I do, fin, and then I will stretch out that word while they watch. So I'm going to model for them. In. Then I'll do it along with students again. So we'll go in, and then I'll ask students the question. Looking at your sound boxes, what sound do you hear at the beginning of the word fin? And they should be able to identify f. Also, what sound do you hear at the end of the word fin? N. The end of the word fin is N. And then let's try just one more example. I have a picture of a van. I'll say the word van, van, have students repeat it, van, and then I'll do it first. And students can watch and then also join along with me as we separate the sounds of the word van. And the last thing I'll do is ask students to look at their sound boxes and I'll point to the beginning or the final sound. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word van? V. What sound do you hear at the end of the word van? N. Continue with a variety of different words, matching each sound with the corresponding sound box until you feel students have gotten enough practice in the skill of identifying beginning and ending sounds.